Hello, Internet. So, do you want to seriously maximize how much you learn and how fast? Well, I'm going to tell you how. By the way, welcome to the Empirical Sword. I'm Lore Master DLC79. I happen to believe that school doesn't teach, which means that we have to be the masters of our education, meaning we have to do the learning thing ourselves because school isn't going to give us the info we need to survive in the real world. So, how do you maximize your learning? You teach. It's as simple as that. I mean, think about it. If you had to teach a group of people a particular subject within the next 48 hours, and you had 48 hours to study, don't you think you might take it a little more seriously than if you're just trying to learn it on your own for whatevers? I mean, it is that simple. You have to take it seriously. You have to take your education and your learning seriously before you can really maximize what your brain takes in. I mean, knowing how you most effectively learn, whether you're a reader, a writer, a speaker, or a listener, knowing that can give you an edge. But if you don't take it seriously, if you're not seriously committed to learning something, you might know it for a while, but then it's kind of like, you forget. But if you know in advance that you have to teach this information to someone else soon, within 48 hours, 2 days, probably going to take it a little more seriously. Now, I will admit that if the information is somehow not relevant to your quote-unquote mission in life, you're probably still not going to take it very seriously. Which is kind of why we need a direction in life. A so-called purpose or destiny, goal, mission, whatever you want to call it. Some big, grand, overarching thing that we want to do in the world while we're here and before we're gone. This is why we need that. So that everything we do and everything we learn is focused in on getting us better at doing that. Because if you really, really want this goal, if you really, really want to achieve this mission, whatever it is, if you really, really want it badly enough, you will learn whatever you need to get amazing at it and then do it. All you got to do is be serious about it. I mean, really serious. I mean, the teaching thing, it's a great hack. And admittedly, if your mission in life is somehow related to teaching, it's an amazing hack, because then the teaching thing, the teaching hack, and your mission are the same thing. So you have to learn to be able to teach. But the teaching helps your learning, kind of like this right here. Kind of giving you a little behind the scenes, peeking behind the curtain kind of thing. That made more sense in my head. But this is the power of teaching. Ultimately, teachers learn more than the students, because teaching maximizes how much you can learn. But having a mission in life that you're really, really seriously committed to achieving in your lifetime, it's probably a little better than teaching. But still, teaching is a good thing to do. So do it.